Hello friends, my name is Krishna Balu Shezul. I am from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. I am from third year electrical engineering. Name of subject energy conservation and audit. Subject code 22525. Name of topic soft starter. Content purpose of soft starter. Second, where it is used. Third, why it is used in a AC motor. Fourth, what is soft starter and where it is used. Fifth, type of starter. Sixth, part of soft starter. Seventh, need of soft starter. Eighth, construction diagram. Ninth, advantages. What is the purpose of a soft starter? Soft starter will protect your electrical motor from possible damage and it the sometimes extend the lifespan of your electric motor and the whole system by declining the heating causes by frequent start or stops, reducing the mechanical stress on the motor, heat shaft and reducing the electrodynamic stresses on the power. Where is soft starter used? Soft starter are used on all type of AC and DC motors. They are most commonly used with the AC squirrel cage induction motor because of its simplicity and reliability. A typical NEMA design B motor can draw 6 to 8 times its full load operating current when it's fast started. Why starter is used in a AC motor? Starter are used to protect DC motor from damage that can be caused by very high current and torque during startup. They do this providing external resistance to the motor, which is connected in a series to the motor's armature windings and restricts the current to an acceptable level. What is a soft starter and how does it work? A soft starter is a solid state device that protects AC electric motor from damage caused by sudden influx of power by limiting the large initial inrush of current associates with motor startup. They provide a gentle ramp up to full speed and are used only at a startup in bracket and stop if equipped. Types of soft starter. There are five main varieties of a soft starter. First, primary resistor. Second, auto transformer. Third, part winding. Fourth, way delta. Fifth, solid state. What are the part of an soft starter? The main components of a soft starter is a triac which is designed to limit the applied voltage to the motor. Triac consists of two back-to-back thyristors or SCRs. When an internal pulse is applied to its gate, it allows current to flow which then sends current out to our motor. Do I need a soft starter? Across the line starting also causes high peak power demand which can trigger peak demand fees from the utility company. A soft starter can eliminate these problems by gradually increase voltage to the motor terminals during startup, providing a control ramp up to full speed. Above figure shows the construction diagram of a soft starter. Advantages of a soft starter: smooth acceleration to full speed, extended life of motor and mechanical components, easy operation suitable for all types of induction motor. Thank you.